Hello and welcome back to Maestropia. In this video we're going to cover the chords and piano for Relate by For King and Country. And before we get started, please like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share if you like this video. All the support is really appreciated, and that just helps me to grow the channel and to get it trending for others who might be interested in these resources also. So first of all, let's talk about how to build the chords. As you can see on the screen, we have a preview of Relate from praisecharts.com. That's the best free resource I could find for you. It's gonna pretty much give us everything we need, and I'll try to talk you down through the rest and also give you a demonstration at the end. First of all, we're not gonna wanna just use a regular piano sound. If we're playing with a band, we're gonna wanna use our EP, electric piano. So that's the sound that's used on the recording. That's what we want to use. As far as the proper fingerings, let's talk about that. As you see, what I'm using is a 1 and 3. We're talking about our fingers. 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 1 and 3 again. And then just to make a quick jump to that last one, I use 1 and 2. Okay, so that's important to make it nice and smooth. We don't want to do choppy notes or chords, right? We want it to be really smooth. Keep everything connected, and we don't need to do a lot of rhythmic playing on this one. As far as comping, we'd call that. We just want to hold the chords nice and long. And then the next chord pattern, same concept, where we go 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 3 and 5, and then back to 2 and 4. So that enables us to keep it nice and smooth. So one more time on that pattern. And then we got to reposition to 1 and 3. So that's for the verses and the pre-choruses. It's just those two chord patterns over and over that are looping. And now in the choruses and what they call the tag on here, we don't need chords at all. It's really just bass notes or 5 chords. B flat, G, E flat, and then we come back up to C. And that's the loop pattern for, like I said, the choruses and tags. Now, in that first chorus in the beginning, it's really just bass on the recording. So you could either just hold it if you're the keyboard player in the band, or if you want to kind of do bass and keyboard and mix them depending on who's in your band, you could do something rhythmic like that. Okay, or if you want to fill it out more and do 5 chords, 5 chords meaning it's not major, minor, right? So if that first one was B flat, a major B flat chord would be this. A 5 chord is just taking out that third. So that would mean F would be our only note. So we could just do all 5 chords to G, to E flat, to C. So that's how I would play this song with a band. If I wanted to do, some bass and some chord support in the band. It really just depends on the band that you're with at the time and what your goal is, what sound you're going for. Okay, so now that we went over the chords and how to build them, well, I didn't talk about the names of the chords, but you can see them on the page. G minor, F/A, so F with an A in the bass, B flat, and then E flat, and then E flat, F, G minor, F. So that's all the chords of the song. I think now we're about ready for me to demonstrate it for you. And so I'm just gonna play you my cover of the song. Let me know if you liked it, if you didn't, what you need help with, if you need help with anything. I'm just glad to be able to help all of you and hopefully make this process easier for you in learning songs. Okay, so here we go.
Does life hit you so hard that you've been knocked down? Have you gone too far to find the middle ground?
No space in between those chords.
Pull you back.
Nice and long.
It's like a real, I've been fake. Been a still, I've been the same. I've been right, I've been so wrong. Yeah, I've made my mistakes. I don't know what it's like to be. You don't know what it's like to be.
You can either hold them or do a rhythm.
What if we're all the same in different kinds of ways? Can you relate? We both know what it's like to be hurt.
Now I'm just adding the right hand to fill it out.
We both know what it's like to feel pain. But I think it's safe to say we're on to better days. Can you relate? Can you relate? Have you ever been left when you should have been loved?
Back to our verse pattern.
Has there ever been a time when you stayed but you should have run? 'Cause I've been real, I've been fake. Been a sin, I've been the same. I've been right, I've been so wrong. Yeah, I've made my mistakes. Now I don't know what it's like to be.
And do a rhythm this time.
You don't know what it's like to be. What if we're all the same in different kinds of ways? Can you relate?
Still long.
We both know what it's like to be hurt. We both know what it's like to feel pain. But I think it's safe to say we're on to better days. Can you relate? Can you I don't know what it's like to be. You don't know what it's like to be. But by the grace of God, we'll see each other's heart. Can you relate?
Okay, and then before you go, I did forget that just at the ending is essentially different how we want to do the chords in the rest of the song. Those last four chords, B flat, G minor, E flat, and then just leave those three notes there for our C minor 7, so only the bass notes change. And then that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.